Eagle Pass on the US border with Mexico, a Texas town in the eye of a migrant crisis storm. After wading across the Rio Grande, migrants are met by US law enforcement for processing. Thousands of migrants have been crossing the US-Mexico border along this stretch of the Rio Grande on a daily basis, stretching local law enforcement and migration authorities to their limit. Tom Schmerber has been the local sheriff for 12 years and was a border patrol agent for 26 years before that. He says 2023's migrant situation has been extraordinary.
Never have I seen something like this in this area. I'm talking of more than 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people crossing. They're just walking and they're not running. They want to be apprehended. It's going to be more than 10, maybe 15,000 people coming in within a week. Unbelievable.
It's a situation that led the local government in Eagle Pass to declare a state of emergency, allowing the city to request additional federal funds to handle the crisis. For the Sheriff's Department, it's a matter of national security.
We need the help from the federal government. It's overwhelmed. The police department, they have like 70 officers. We have much less than that. Yeah, and the criminal element takes advantage of that. They know we're going to be tied up, and then at the same time they're crossing drugs and all that to the other sides.
However, once processed and admitted into the US, the migrants don't remain here. Giuseppe Garcia from Caracas, Venezuela, is bound for Miami, where he'll have a court date to argue his case for asylum. He hopes this will be the final leg of a 4-month journey.
2 meses y medio en México.
I spent 2.5 months in Mexico and the situation there is devastating. I couldn't wait on an appointment at the border any longer. Crossing the river is the only option.
No hay otra forma.
But while these migrants have reached the United States, some don't survive the arduous journey. Indeed, the border itself has become one of the major dangers they face on their quest to reach America. Alasdair Baverstock, CGTN, Eagle Pass, Texas.